In this lesson, we're going to create the Azure Web App. To complete this lesson, make sure you have set up your Microsoft Azure account. If you have a Microsoft Azure account, then just open it. Now inside the Azure portal, just click on Create Resource option. Select the Web App. Now choose the subscription level. By default, Microsoft Azure will pick the default subscription level. I have Visual Studio Enterprise subscription level. You may have a different subscription level depending on the nature of your account. Then create a new resource group. A resource group is a logical container into which we will put Azure resources like databases, web applications, etc. Resource group is like a folder. Just give some user-friendly name to your resource group. You can name it whatever you want. Once you create the resource group, then you need to give a name to your web application. Remember, your web application name will be unique. No two users have same web application name. Just give some unique name. Once you provide the web application name, then just click the runtime stack. Basically, in the runtime stack, we want to tell our web application that what kind of platform we are targeting. Let's check what .NET Core version we are using inside our project. So just go to the Visual Studio and right click on your web app or web API and choose Properties. Inside the application properties, you will get your target framework. At the time of recording this course, I'm using the following .NET Core version. Maybe you are using some different .NET Core version. Let's get back to the Azure portal. And there, if the .NET Core version that we are using is available in the runtime stack, then select it. Now just click on Review and Create. Click on the Create option. And this will create your web application. Once the web app deployment is completed, you will get a success notification. Just click on the Pin to Dashboard, and this will pin your web app inside the Azure dashboard or home screen. Now we can access our web app from Azure home screen. So just click on your web application. Then we need to download this Get Publish profile in which the configurations are present. We need this file when we will publish the web API to Microsoft Azure. Now we have created our web application, and in the next lesson, we are going to create our Azure SQL Server and database. So I will see you in the next lesson.